Before we started traveling, I probably didn't really know what a glacier was. Heard about them, but never actually saw one until when we were in Banff and Jasper in Canada. We got the opportunity to go walk on a glacier.
Ever since then, I think we've kind of been fascinated with glaciers, and it seems like every chance we get, we try to take when it comes to seeing a glacier.
We are on a glacier in Denali, surrounded by mountains everywhere.
And that right there is a glacier.
Currently walking on a glacier in Juneau, and that's our view.
So today we're super excited. We're gonna be kayaking overlooking the Perito Moreno Glacier in Patagonia. I'm just a little bit nervous about falling in the water, and I know that they give you a thermal jacket and a dry suit, so hopefully that's not gonna happen, and if it does, hopefully we'll stay warm enough. We got two parts to today. The first part is about 2 hours of walking. There's 4 different paths that you can take to see the glacier from above on the trail. And the second part of the day is gonna be on the water kayaking.
First look at the glacier, but the camera instantly just makes it small.
It gets as high as 70 meters. Really crazy how many chunks of ice are in the water.
We read that every 30 minutes there's some fairly major calving going on.
We're patiently awaiting some more calving. We've seen 2 small ones, so now we sit and we wait. It's hard to capture on the camera just how tall that is.
I think you see about 1/3 of it, but they said in the middle it can be as tall as 700 meters, which is pretty hard to think of that much ice. This glacier is really cool to be able to see it from so close. It'll be very interesting though to then being actually in the kayak on the water. Amazing thing in this park is all of the trails they built on grates.
This is Perito Moreno Glacier, but this right here is Lago Argentina. So this is where we're going to be kayaking. I don't think we're going to be very close to the glacier because they want to keep you safe and away from any big ice calving or waves from ice calving. So I feel like we're going to be like here. This is so much fun!
That is an iceberg.
It's amazing seeing what looks like a tiny thing from up above be so big when we're down below close to it. Look how deep it is under the water too. That is a big chunk of ice. And not as big as that. One thing I didn't realize is how blue this water would be. I know I should have known because it's glacier water, but it's really blue. I'm just really happy. So far we haven't fallen in. That's a really good step for us.
I think the most amazing thing is how hot it actually is. I thought we were going to be on glacier water next to a glacier, freezing, but I'm actually sweating.
They said today is like a perfect day. They call it not a normal Patagonia day. Wow! Getting closer, and it's just incredible seeing a massive sheet of ice up close. They said that this is the 3rd largest reserve of fresh water in the world, but most of it is frozen. He said we can drink this glacier water, so here we go.
At least you know it's cold.
It's good water. Going through the ice field.
That is a piece of ice. You guys show just how big these ice chunks are.
This is our final look at the glacier. It's been an awesome afternoon out here. Glad the weather was great. Up close to the glacier makes it seem even bigger than when we were looking at it from above. And I have a feeling this won't be our last time experiencing a glacier. I got zonked, man. On that bus, I was out. And then I would hear him say, oh, here's the entrance to the park. Yeah, pay the entrance fee. I'm like, okay. And then a minute later. And you look cool.
You talking to me or the iceberg?
Iceberg. Just kidding. I'm talking to you. Alright, so they said we can drink this glacier water. Got a bottle. Oh.
That is the glacier. That is an iceberg. And it is a pretty chill day.
That is a big ice chunk. Trying to stay away from it.
Not a bad day. Just another, what is it, Tuesday?
Our guides are funny. They said if you fall in, first of all, just pray. Second, we'll get to you as soon as we can. It'll be no more than 5 days. Started here, went the whole way over towards that direction. And we are about to do our final dismount. Let's see if we can make it without flipping. We made it! Woo! Yay! First step, put down the paddle. Second step, undo my skirt. So right now we're in the town of Calafate. We went to El Chalten, then Perito Moreno, kayaks right here. And now we're gonna be going this way to Chile.
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast. And every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing.